समासं कुरुता. Neil Shetty.
पीतं क्षीरं येन सह.
पीतक्षीरः और बालः.
Pitakshiraha, which refers to Bala. Okay.
उद्धृतं
जलं यस्याह सह.
Yasyaha sa. See, yasyaha is strilinga. Therefore,
यस्याः सा.
hmm.
उद्धृत जला.
Uddhrita jala. It can refer to a nadi because nadi is strilinga.
बहवः जनाः.
यस्मिन् तत्.
बहु जनः.
Bahu janaha, but it is referring to yasmin tat. So
okay.
it should be napumsakalinga.
Okay. बहु जनम.
It can refer to a
griham. Griham.
Hmm.
लिखितं चित्रं यैहि ते. लिखित चित्रं यैहि ते. लिखित चित्राः.
Likhita chitraha. Suppose we have a drawing competition and boys are writing the drawing. Likhitam chitram yaihite, by whom the chitra has been written.
अष्टभुजाः यस्याः सा. अष्टभुजा.
Ashtabhuja, it can refer to Devi or Durga Mata, who is having 8 hands.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Oh, one more is there.
दश आननानि यस्य सः. दशाननः. It can be Ravana.
Ravana. Uttam. Very good.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavada. Pragya.
आम महोदय.
Now Vigraham Kuruta. Vigraha Vakyam Likata.
वक्रतुण्डः गणेशः. वक्रः तुण्डः यस्य सः.
Now Tundam, Tunde, Tundani. Tundam is Mukham. So
Okay.
Vakram Tundam Yasya Saha.
Okay. Dhruta pushpa nari. Dhrutam pushpam yasyaah sa.
By whom the flowers? By, so by whom the
Yayasa.
Yayasa. Now if it is one flower, it is okay. Dhrutam pushpam. If it is many flowers, what will you do?
Dhrutani pushpani yayasa.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, very good. Very good.
Patita pushpa lata. Patitani pushpani yasyaah sa. It is coming in Panchami Vibhakti.
Panchami, very good.
Datta dakshinaah vipraah. Dattaah dakshinaah ye te.
Now when we give something, receiver is in Chaturthi.
Yebhyah te.
So what we will do is, we will do the Prathamanta Samasa, and then Kama we will say te, that's all. Okay.
Okay.
So the Dakshina is a Strilinga Pada. Dattaha. So what did you say? Datta, if we can consider that as Dakshina, Ekavachana.
Datta dakshina yebhyah te.
So yebhyaha we will write, and you will write te at the end if it is Bahuvachana. Vipraha refers to Bahuvachana. So the Dakshina was given to the Brahmins.
Vishala marga nagari. Vishala marga yasyaah sa.
Vishalaha margaha yasyaha sa nagari. Vishala marga. Very good.
प्राप्तोदकं गृहं प्राप्तम् उदकं यस्मिन् तत्
In the house. So if you are praptodakam, then it should praptodakam is referring to the house which got the udaka, the water. So it is an object. So praptam udakam.
okay yam yet tat
In Napumsakalinga we have yati ye yani, yatye yani.
okay
Okay.
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादाः. रवि किरण महोदय.
अधीतं व्याकरणं येन सह अधीतव्याकरणः
अधीतव्याकरणः.
जितः क्रोधः यैः ते जितक्रोधः जितक्रोधाः प्रदत्तानि फलानि यस्यै सा प्रदत्तफला पतितः योधः यस्मात् सः पतितयोधः.
उत्तमम्.
उन्नतं गोपुरं यस्य तत् उन्नतगोपुरम्.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः सर.
धन्यवादः.
लता पीएल.
राम राम महोदय. शुद्धं जलं यस्याः सा शुद्धजला.
उत्तमम्.
सुप्ताः जनाः येषु तानि सुप्तजनं
तानि
सुप्तजनानि. दत्तानि पुस्तकानि येभ्यः ते दत्तपुस्तकानि.
Yebhyaha is pullinga, so you have to refer the yad shabda to arrive at the linga of the samasta pada.
दत्तपुस्तकाः.
Because you are giving the pustaka to some boys. So pustaka is napumsakalinga, but the boys who are taking are pullinga, no? So therefore that's the pustaka.
पठन्तः छात्राः यासुताः. पठन् छात्राः.
पठत्
छात्रा. निर्गताः छात्राः यस्मात् सः निर्गतछात्राः.
निर्गतछात्रः because one निर्गत छात्रः. Suppose in a hostel COVID has come. Okay. From the hostel everybody goes away.
Yes. So from
then,
one.
Nirgata Chatraha. Or from a particular room, everybody goes away. Like that. So if like that we have to think. Dhanyavadaha. Sitaram Subramanian.
Chaturbhujaha. Chatwaraha. Bhujaha.
Yasyasaha.
Yasyasaha.
One who has four arms or four hands.
Krityaha. Kritaha. Krityaha.
Krityaha is, let me tell the meaning. Krityaha is that which has to be done. So if something has been done, that which has to be done. Kritam, krityam, by whom the thing which has to be done has been done. Clear, sir? Kritam, krityam. Suppose krityam. Now krityam is tarpanam. Say we have to give tarpana to our ancestors. Kritam, krityam, which is yaihi te. Now all the Brahmins together, they gave the tarpana. So then it becomes yaihi te. Because krita krityaha is bahuvachana. So on a upakarma day, everybody will give kandarshi tarpana at one in samohika. They are assembled at one place and they give. So krita krityaha, we can say. If that krityam is a tarpanam. Now suppose kritam krityam yabhihi taha. Now there is something which is which the ladies are doing, and it is an action which has to be done. Krityam. Kritam krityam yabihi taha. Like that. So we have to assume the context and bring a picture in our mind and assume what all is happening. Then we have to, then only this Bahuvrihi Samasa will become interesting. Now Chaturbhujaha means we have to imagine for the person, 4 arms in a person, and then start thinking about that person. Then you will understand we are talking about Chaturbhujaha, Vishnuhu, Kritakrityaha, like that. So we should bring the picture in the mind. Datta Bhojana.
Datta Bhojana. Dattam Bhojanam. Yasyai sa.
Yasyai sa. So we have to assume a person, a lady, somebody, a lady who has come to our house, to whom we have fed her. Dattam Bhojanam Yasyai sa. Now the person who has given the food, she is, say, our mother. Now Dattam Bhojanam Yayasa. She also becomes Datta Bhojana because by whom the Bhojana was given, for whom the Bhojana was given. For both we can use Datta Bhojana as the Samastapada. But context difference has to be understood. That is why we say Artham Anusrutya Samasaha, Arthavat Samasaha. Depending on the context, we have to use Yasyai sa or Yayasa. So I think you have got this point.
Suttaminaha. Suttaha Minaha. Yasmin Saha.
Suptaha Minaha Yasmin Saha. If it is referring to many fishes. Now Suptaminaha may refer to a Tadagaha. They are hidden or they are sleeping or something. The Tadaga is actually a Ekavachana, which is what I wanted to tell.
Padda Pushpaha. Patitani Pushpani Yasmat Saha. Yasmat Yabhyam Yebhyam Tani.
But it is, if you are telling Yabhyam Tani, it should be Patita Pushpani. The Patita Pushpaha is which, sir, first is Patitani Pushpani, that you are clear. Now we have to come to the Yad Shabda. Yad Shabda can be which linga now? Pushpaha is which linga?
Pushpa is in Pushpa means Napumsalingam.
No, Patita Pushpaha.
That is in Bahuvachanam.
It can be Strilinga Bahuvachana. Pushpa Pushpa. Rama Rame Ramaha. Strilinga Bahuvachana. So it can be Pushpaha Pushpa Pushpaha Pullinga Bahuvachana. So there are two options. Pullinga Bahuvachana is also Pushpaha. Strilinga Bahuvachana is also Pushpaha in the Samasa. In the Samastapada. Patita Pushpa. To the Anyapada is a Pullinga. Patita Pushpa is referring to Anyapada is a Strilinga. But Pushpa and Patita we are clear. Patitani Pushpani. Okay. So that we have closed. Now from whom? Yad Shabda Panchami Vibhakti. We have to use both Pullinga Yebhyaha te Yabhyaha taha. So suppose now there are many ladies who have worn flower on their heads and they are walking. They are doing a dance. Together they are dancing. Okay. Now the flower which they had worn on the head, flower decorator. Nowadays all the decorations are being done by some external decorator. Even for the marriages, these people are calling external decorators to decorate the hair. Now the decorator, she put a similar pin on all the heads of these ladies. And what happened when they were dancing and doing one dance pose? Suddenly all these flowers fell down. Now what do we say? Patitani Pushpani Yabhyaha Taha. Okay, this is one. Now, similarly, we can say Patitani Pushpani Yebhyaha te. Now we have a Vigraha in a temple. So we have Navagraha Vigrahas. So you will have 9 Navagraha Vigrahas in a Navagraha temple. Now the Archaka has placed one, the Vigrahas are very small. He has placed a big flower on top of that Vigraha. When he placed, it was standing. Okay. So as soon as he poured water and did Abhisheka Abhisheka, now all the flowers fell from the Vigraha. Patitani Pushpani Yebhyaha te. So we have to assume one picture and Vigraha and everything, and then arrive at the Samasa and the Linga. Then only this is very interesting. Bahuvrihi Samasa. Bahuvrihi Samasa is a very, very interesting Samasa. For which you have to start, you should have that Kalpana, the power of imagining what is happening. If you imagine, then you will not make mistake in the Linga and the Vachana and the Vigraha Vakya or the Samastapara. If you are trying to do directly with the Shabda, sometimes we may make mistake unless we are very experienced in and we have done a lot of practice.
Mahodaya, one doubt, Mahodaya. If it is from tree, then can we write Patitani Pushpani Yasmat Saha?
No, but it is from one tree means it is Yasmat Saha. Here it is referring to many trees.
Many, okay.
So you have a garden.
But one tree.
You have a garden and from many trees flowers are falling. Then it is Patitani Pushpani Yebhyahate.
Yebhyahate. Yes.
That is also another thing. You have to assume a beautiful garden where many trees are there, and then it is falling. So all then we have to assume that scene. We should all be we should all become movie directors to do Bahuvrihi Samasa. Okay.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Very good intervention. Usha Chandrasekharan.
Namaste ji. Okay. Utha ratau. Utaha. Rataha. Yabhyam tau.
Yabhyam tau. So you have assumed Rama and Lakshmana or somebody from 2 people.
Yeah.
Climbing the chariot. And the chariot is only one. Therefore it is Udaha Rataha. And 2 people are climbing. Yabhyam tau. 2 people on the same chariot. Very good. Beautiful.
Simha Vahana. Simha Vahanam Yasyaha Sa. Probably Durga is ascending on
Simha Vahanam Yasyaha.
Bahu Gunaha. Bahavaha Gunaha Yasmin Saha.
Super.
Shuddha Kirtihi. Shuddha Kirtihi Yasya Saha.
If it is Kirti Yasya Saha. So Kirtihi.
Strilinga.
Strilinga Pyasti.
Ya Savaji.
Yasya Saha, Yasya Sa. Both are correct.
Gabirartini.
Gabhirarthani.
One who understands a deeper meaning or something like that. Gabiraha Arthaha. Yesham Thani. Arthani.
So, Gabiraha Arthaha Yesham. Yesham Panktinam.
Tani.
Yesham Tani.
My meaning is correct.
Your meaning is correct. Gabiraha Arthaha Yesham is Yesham Vachananam. So suppose our grandfather, he tells us some very, very nice words which has deep meaning. So Gabiraha Arthaha Yesham Vachananam Tani Vachanani. So it is referring to the words told by the grandfather, like that. Very good.